What's up, everybody? Today we have the most expensive vehicle we have ever detailed in the history of the company. It is a F550 tactical command vehicle. This thing is massive. Doesn't really fit inside the shop, but we're gonna make it work. Take you guys inside here. Check this out. $1.3 million for this bad boy. This thing goes out, you have a natural disaster, you need a mobile command unit, you bring in this bad boy. So yeah, we're gonna detail it today. 1.3, crazy. What's up, guys? Just in my new office. Just kidding. This is not my new office, but would make for a pretty sweet office. We are inside the F550 tactical command vehicle. You can see you have 6 screens here. You have 2 hardline phones. There's one over there. There's one over here. What appears to be massive servers. You have thermostat control up here. You have LED strips right here, smoke detector. So we've got these lights on right now because obviously the vehicle's not on, but you turn the vehicle on, you can control all this. We've got so many different outlets, different things you can run here. There's another like command, bunch of buttons over there. One over here, they can control all the lights. All your lights are controlled right here. We got more cameras in here. Yeah, this thing, zombie apocalypse ready. Oh, and also it's bulletproof. So, yeah, zombie apocalypse. This is what you need. Now we're gonna detail it. Alright, back in the command center back here in the F550 tactical vehicle, and what we just discovered is you got some DirecTV right here. So you want to watch some cable in a natural disaster, you got 1080p, 6 different screens, that'll work. still working on this F550 tactical beast. So clearly this has been detailed before. You can see on this trim piece here, we have some discoloration. Now some of this can be natural, just UV damage. This almost looks though like somebody used some kind of acid before and potentially damaged it. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna come back with Dr. Beasley's matte paint cleanser. This stuff is magic, so especially if you have a Tesla on the trim, if you ever see this kind of pattern, Dr. Beasley's matte paint cleanser is going to take it right off. It's not going to be 100%, but it's going to be a heck of a lot better. We're going to come back with an IPA wipe, and then we'll put some exterior dressing on it, make it look a little nicer. So stay tuned for the results. All right. Dr. Beasley matte paint cleanser, a little IPA, some exterior dressing, and you can see it's not perfect, but a lot better than it was. There you go. Problem solved. All right, F550 tactical done. Detailed, fully decontaminated, high quality wax, steam clean, shampoo, extract, all on the inside. Vacuum wipe down the whole command center. Detailed all the tires, get those, have some nice tire shine on them, make it looking nice. Yeah, this thing is a beast, and really glad we're done with it, but pretty cool. So, you know, if you got an extra mil or two lying around, highly recommend picking up one of these things and prepare yourself for the zombie apocalypse, because this thing's a tank. It's pretty cool. Anyways, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and stay tuned for other cool vehicles like this that we're working on. See you guys.